Hey guys, welcome back to your girl's channel. What? Every time we get in the elevator, this girl nerves is just shot. Press 1.
I did.
No, you didn't. That's why we're not moving. Press 1, please. Press 1.
No,
Press...
I'm scared. Are the elevator stuck?
Welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl, Shade. If you are new here, and just to announce, we are almost at 1K subscribers, okay? But today is St. Patrick's Day. Happy St. Patrick's Day to those who celebrate it. We are going to get some ice cream. Royalty was not feeling good through the weekend. She's feeling much better now, so we are going to a new Carvel / Cinnabon spot that opened up in the neighborhood, and I cannot wait. Come on. Oh, hi! Hi, cutie pie! How you feeling? Hi, beautiful. How you doing? I'll see you when we get there, because you know this is New York City and I gotta pay mine. I'm walking with my daughter solo. So the weather is, it was raining.
Yeah, it was raining yesterday, right?
Yeah, it was raining yesterday. It was raining all this morning, and it's very gloomy out, as you can see.
That's why I have my rainbow.
The weather is like in the 50s.
Guys,
So it's like lukewarm, cool, kinda.
Mommy, show them my pretty shoes.
Oh, Royalty had to put on her pink. Let me see.
They have silver.
She had to put on her pink rain boots, winter boots, snow boots, whatever you want to call them, from UGG.
Yeah.
And why when kids put on rain boots and they see a puddle, they just have to step in it? Why? I'm telling her, go around. Girl, you don't gotta step in the puddle. But that's kids for you. All right, we're almost there.
Yeah, guys.
Wow, it's right here. Where is the... Oh! Either... Oh. Who, me? Hi, how are you? Hi. Found it by the smell. Ooh.
Hi.
How you doing? I told you I was coming back, right? Look, Royalty. What kind of cones they have?
Ooh, you can put candy.
It's gonna melt. Right? It's gonna melt. I told him to come. He probably think we're going to the supermarket ice cream.
Mommy, this. Mommy, I want this.
In a bowl?
Mm-hmm.
You want, what do you want on top of it?
I want gummy bears.
Ooh, look at this. Okay, so she's gonna get the bowl with the sprinkles.
This one?
Yeah, that one. And you want chocolate only in there? Huh?
This one chocolate half scoop?
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You want, what do you want on it?
I want this.
Jelly?
Okay, Thank you. Ooh, what else you want on it?
The M&M's.
M&M's.
M&M?
That one, boo-boo?
This one?
That's it? Okay.
Anything else?
That's it? Oh, and some of that.
This one?
That one?
No,
That-
I was talking about a spoon.
Oh, you want what?
A spoon.
Oh, just a spoon. Okay. You have pistachio?
Yes.
Is this one? It looks very, is it possible I could just taste it? Please? And it looked like people like this one a lot because it's almost done. Is this French vanilla?
Just normal vanilla.
And what's these?
This is vanilla fudge.
And what's that one over there?
This one?
Uh-huh.
That is butter Biscoff, sorry.
All right, so I'm gonna just do vanilla fudge.
Vanilla fudge?
Yeah.
What size? Chocolate one or just this one?
I'll take this one.
This one you said, right?
Yeah.
How many?
2 is fine. 2.
And you want sprinkles?
Let me see. What's this?
Biscoff.
What is it?
Biscoff cookies.
I'll take a little bit of that.
This one?
Enough?
Enough?
That's good. What's this?
Heat bar.
No.
Pecans?
No pecans. You could give me a little sprinkles.
Chocolate or?
No, right there. Yeah. What you said?
That coming cover?
What do you mean, the ice cream? Do the bowls come with covers? No.
We have a cup.
Oh, they have covers. He said. I don't want a cover.
Yeah. You want a spoon?
Yeah.
So,
And then they getting whatever they getting. Sugar.
I got a lot of candy, right?
What do you have?
I have M&M's and I have gummy bears. As you can see, you can't really see them.
It tastes good.
I'm gonna see how you eat.
Me?
Hey,
This is good.
guys, this is the best ice cream I can tell. At first, my mom almost made me cry because that prank was not funny.
I was gonna get pistachio, but it's not rich. It's not like good.
You know it tastes like rich?
I thought it would taste like the other place where we get it.
Venereal?
Oh, I should have got a little syrup. I forgot they have
They don't have syrup, I think.
yeah, I could have got a little syrup.
They do?
Like caramel or
Ooh. I thought you should have like get strawberry syrup.
it's good, boo.
You should have got cherry on top. Let's eat them there. You see?
What you got, a milkshake?
Okay, stay right here. Here. Look, you could just move the hair. No,
A milkshake. After his belly was hurting. We just got back. The ice cream was good. I did try the pistachio. I tried the pistachio ice cream first. I didn't really like it because it wasn't like rich, if you know what I mean. It wasn't poor, but it wasn't rich. It wasn't like how do you say, like, I don't know, it tastes like something they created and it's supposed to taste like pistachio, if that makes sense. So yeah, I had to pass, but I did get the, I believe it was chocolate vanilla with fudge, and it was good. Would I go back? Yeah, but not all the time. Nothing like, listen, not like Petit Chou. And yeah, so also, by the way, I'm almost at 1K. And I did say I wanted to do a giveaway once I reach 1K subscribers. I think when I reach 1K, I think I want to do maybe $100 or $100 gift card. I'm trying to figure out what is the best way to do the giveaway. But maybe you guys can help me out with that. You could just comment down below. and give me some ideas on how I should do the giveaway and go about it and picking the person. Yeah, how I should go about picking the person who wins the giveaway. Other than that, yeah, so I love you guys, and thank you for going with me to Carvel / Cinnabon. I should have got a Cinnabon. I did end up getting churros for royalty. But so till the next video, and I will see you guys later.